In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna as a payment method on Uber Eats. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device and go to ubereats.com. Once the website loads, make sure you're signed into your Uber Eats account so you can place an order without interruptions. From there, browse the restaurant options and choose the food items you want. Take your time reviewing your cart before moving on, especially if you want to confirm quantities, delivery details, or any special instructions for the restaurant. When you're ready, proceed to the checkout screen. This is where you'll review your order total, delivery address, and the payment option currently linked to your account. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to quickly double check that everything in your order looks correct, because your payment method will apply to the final total shown at checkout. Next, click on your current payment method. This will open the payment settings for your order and allow you to update how you want to pay. Look for the option that says Add Payment Method, then select it to see the available choices. If Klarna is supported in your region and available for your order, choose Klarna from the list. At this point, Uber Eats will redirect you to the Klarna prompt or open a Klarna payment window. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the setup. Depending on what Klarna offers in your area, you may be able to choose an installment plan or a delayed payment option. Read each part clearly before confirming so you understand the payment schedule, due dates, and any terms that apply. Once you finish the Klarna prompt, your payment method should be added and selected for the order. After that, you can return to the checkout screen, confirm that Klarna is now listed as your payment option, and then finalize your purchase. If you don't see Klarna listed, that usually means it isn't available in your region for your account or for that specific order total. In that case, you may need to use another supported payment method. Also, make sure your browser is up to date and that pop-ups aren't being blocked, since the Klarna window may need to open properly for the process to work. That's how to use Klarna as a payment method on Uber Eats.